In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link your YouTube channel to Discord, or how you can link your YouTube account to Discord. So I already made this video before, but this is a new update. So the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to open your Discord. By the way, you can do the same steps on your phone. Now after you open your Discord, you want to click on the user settings at the bottom left, and then you want to click on connections, and here, as you can see, I have linked my YouTube account. So I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to show you guys how you can add it. Here in this list, you want to click view more, and then you will find here YouTube. Click on it, and then it will take you guys to your YouTube channel. Click on it, to the Gmail that is linked to your YouTube channel. Then click this, and then that's it. Okay, that's exactly how you can link your YouTube to Discord. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you.